Hi there. When our customers come to us here at Mortgage Choice in Perth CBD, they get to speak with one of our expert financial brokers when they need help with their finance. I've been a part of the team here at Mortgage Choice in Perth CBD for 8 years, and I've got 20 years experience in the finance industry. So I thought it was about time I started sharing my thoughts and insights to help simplify finance for everybody and provide some valuable hints and tips to help cut through the noise created from all that volume of information about loans and mortgages. The month of May has seen two really big announcements that have affected both individuals and small business here in Australia. The first being the RBA's decision to cut interest rates by 0.25% at the beginning of the month. Theoretically, this is great news for people that already have home loans and also the potential purchasers of new homes being more affordable. What you may not know, but it is essential for you to understand, is that actually the banks have a choice as to whether they pass on that interest rate cut or increase that the RBA makes to the official cash rate. So for example, in the month of May so far, the CBA has reduced their interest rate by 0.2%, ANZ have reduced their interest rate by 0.25%, and Bank West have only chose to reduce their interest rate by 0.17. You may ask, why is this? There's no legislative requirement by the banks and lenders in this country to follow any reduction or increase that the RBA makes to the official cash rate. The biggest tip I can give you, and the first one I want to offer today, is that when you are looking to obtain finance, it is imperative that you engage a mortgage broker who can research all the options out there for you and offer you the most competitive one that's available for your circumstances. You cannot assume that all banks move the same, and to be honest, it's almost impossible for someone who's not looking at this stuff every day to really know where each lender sits in terms of interest rates. The second major announcement that's happened this month is around the federal and state budgets. There's been a lot of information in the media about these, but today I just want to focus on the one that is in line with the tax concessions and rebates for small businesses with a turnover of less than $2 million per annum. The government will now significantly expand accelerated depreciation for small business, and it will do this by allowing small businesses with an aggregate annual turnover of $2 million or less to immediately deduct all assets that they start to use in their business or install ready for use, provided the asset costs less than $20,000. This is a significant increase from the previous maximum purchase amount of only $1,000. And this concession will apply for all assets acquired and installed ready for use between 7:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on the 12th of May to the 30th of June 2017. So if you're self-employed and in small business, I really urge you to speak to your accountant this month and decide whether you can take advantage of these concessions. And if you do, we'd love to discuss with you the different finance options available for small business to help purchase those assets and take advantages of those concessions. I hope you enjoyed these two tips today and found them interesting, and if so, tune in again soon for some more information. Ciao for now.